A charming 3+1 bedroom bungalow situated within Whitby's Williamsburg neighbourhood. Welcome to 204 Willis Avenue. A hedge-lined front lawn with a south-facing front deck shaded by a mature tree add to its curb appeal. And through a front entry door is a wonderful family home with bright, open-themed principal rooms and a finished lower level for additional living space. A south-facing picture window, an east-facing accent window, as well as a neutral decor, bring a light, airy feel to the combined living and dining areas that are finished with the cozy touch of broadloom. A wall pass-through with a wood ledge as well as a papered accent wall visually creates a breakfast area that also offers additional entertainment seating while maintaining an openness to the kitchen area. Finished with ceramic flooring, the kitchen also features a stainless steel double undermount sink and appliances, plenty of cabinetry storage, a west-facing window, a tiled backsplash with glass accents, stone countertops, and the addition of a servery by the pass-thru that is ideal for entertaining, workspace, and for storage. The hallway to the bedrooms is finished with hardwood flooring, while tiled floors finish a 4-piece washroom featuring a furniture-style vanity, as well as a tiled bath area with glass, stone, and stainless steel mosaic accents. The 3 bedrooms on this level all feature cozy broadloom and double closets, with the master bedroom additionally featuring a ceiling fan. The 3rd bedroom also has potential use as a family or media room and features a paneled accent wall, crown moldings, and a walkout onto a cozy sitting deck overlooking a fenced backyard with a garden shed, mature trees for privacy, an in-ground pool surrounded by a concrete deck, as well as a large patio area, landscape perennial beds, and a fire pit. This home also features up to 4 vehicle parking in the driveway, includes all existing window treatments and ceiling light fixtures, and also has a separate side door entry to its finished lower level. The landing is finished with parquet hardwood flooring and wainscoting and is roomy enough to accommodate a cozy sitting area warmed by a corner gas fireplace with stone cladding. This level features a large, bright bedroom with carpeting, a 4-piece washroom with ceramic tiled floor and walls, a jetted tub, and a separate shower area with sliding doors, a combined storage and laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, closet space, and is complete with a spacious family room finished with wainscoting, pot lighting, and cozy carpeting. Walking distance to both Palmerston and Bradley Parks, this home is also close to public transit, schools, places of worship, and other everyday conveniences, while numerous big box shopping plazas, access to highways 401 and the 407, as well as Whitby's vibrant downtown and its waterfront parks and beaches are all just short drives away.